Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X6 versus the Mercedes GLE 53 AMG. Let's dive into their performance. The Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe boasts 429 horsepower, surpassing the BMW X6 is 375 horsepower. The GLE 53 also features a 9-speed automatic transmission. A step up from the X6 is 8-speed. While both offer exhilarating acceleration, the GLE 53 is slightly quicker from 0 to 60 mph, giving it an edge in raw power and speed. Moving inside, both SUVs offer truly luxurious cabins with premium materials and cutting-edge technology. The Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 stands out with its impressive dual 12 3-inch screens, creating a modern and flashy cockpit. The BMW X6, however, provides a large, intuitive infotainment display within a more subdued and ergonomically focused interior. Your preference here will depend on whether you favor a bolder or more classic luxury aesthetic. When it comes to practicality, the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe offers more cargo space, providing 33.3 cubic feet compared to the BMW X6 is 27.4 cubic feet. However, the X6 typically delivers better fuel efficiency, achieving 23 city and 26 highway miles per gallon versus the GLE 53 18 city and 23 highway. In terms of value, the X6 also has a lower starting MSRP, beginning around $73,900, while the GLE 53 starts at approximately $86,750. So, which luxury SUV is better for you? The Mercedes-AMG GLE 53 Coupe excels with its higher horsepower, greater cargo capacity, and standard all-wheel drive, offering a more aggressive performance and practical edge. The BMW X6 counters with superior fuel efficiency and a more accessible starting price, appealing to those who prioritize economy and a slightly different driving feel. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value raw power and space or efficiency and initial cost. Remember to check the description below for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.